Am I really that much to handle? Breaking these niggas down like a camel. You don't really know you are.
Hey y'all, it's your number one and I'm back with another video. And today I'm going to be cooking cupcakes. So come along. So I'm going to show y'all everything I had for the cupcakes. So I have 2 cake mix. I have the yellow one. These. Then I have the bowl to mix everything. I have this little mix into, like, you know, the mix into it, like, yeah, that, yeah, I got that. And then I got these. I got pink, regular pink, and this pink. And then I have the olive oil. Have the vanilla icing, and I have eggs and sprinkles. So let's get this started. So about to start it off. So yeah. Alright, so I'm about to pour the powder in. Let's put it. We're just gonna use those. Can't even see. Hey. Alright, y'all, so I cracked the first egg. And some more. Alright. Crack that second. Crack that egg. Pour the oil. Finally.
You remember the slide with the soda?
Oh, you in there? Let's dump that in. So satisfying.
That's what they didn't mix it with that. They were mixing it with a spoon. You want a spatula? Cup of water. Yeah.
W chef.
1 cup of water. Let's go.
I'm still a W chef.
Because she forgot the water.
Alright, like cup of water into there.
She really forgot the water. Are you kidding me right now? Really forgot the water? You wonder why I was, let me show y'all. Fun. They had two What, James?
How's the cupcakes going? I'm trying. So we finna pour this into the measuring cup. Alright, y'all, so I'm currently placing these down, so yeah, I'm just gonna place it like
Let's take these.
I know. I'm just gonna. Alright, so I did 3. That one, that's gonna be epic fail. I already know. So I'm finished.
That's gonna be a lid.
Epic fail.
Alright.
So I'm gonna keep pouring it. I'm stuttering over my words. Don't matter. Put this in there. I'm scared.
Just put it in. It's not gonna burn you.
Come back for when they're done and when I put ice in it. Peace, y'all.
That's Sandy Moore. Okay, she's on honor student, tri-varsity athlete, and classmate.
Okay, y'all. So the cupcakes are done. That's what they look like. So I'm about to take them out. So let's do that right now.
I didn't even say shit. No one.
I'm putting the icing on the cupcakes. I already started. So just come along with me. And I'm gonna speed the video.
Question is why I do the things I do. Answer I may.
You got gel on your teeth.
Never found me out to choose you. Wanna give up on you, but I know I can't. I put the blame on me for giving you chances to choose.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Milan. Happy birthday to you. What the? Alright, don't hit him back. Don't hit him back. No.
I didn't say it like that.
Can somebody say something like that? He got your ass. He got your ass.
Let me see how I look.